Just a typical day in Chilton, Wisconsin. As you can tell, we're going to shoot a pretty awesome Peterbilt today for Evans Polishing. Pretty stoked about it. I grew up in a family of long-haul truck drivers. My grandfather had a CabOver Pete, not a day cab, not stretched like that, but this one's pretty awesome. So follow along as we shoot this thing. Hope to take a couple cool pictures for him. Just doing this for fun. This is just an awesome truck and looking forward to take pictures. So follow along. So let's get you in the shade parallel with the building. Okay. So see how we have this much shade to the wall? We'll put you right in the middle. In the middle? Yep. Got it. Yep. And facing this way. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty dope. Yeah, we'll get two looks this way. We'll get the back side and the front side.
What's going on, everybody? Evan here with Evans Detailing and Polishing. I've got my 1984 CabOver Peterbilt. It's a 362 model. I've had it for probably 6-7 years. When I first bought it, this thing was a 110 wheelbase blue and white truck. I've always wanted a brown truck. Brown Peterbilts are just, that's where it's at for me. So I bought this thing from a guy out in Walcott, Iowa at the Walcott Truck Show, and the guy made me promise when I purchased it that I wouldn't cut it, stretch it, slam it on the ground until he passed away. The guy that was trying to buy it before me wanted to do that, and the guy made me promise him I wouldn't. He just passed away in 2020, and now we decided to turn this thing into a representation of our business and showcase what we can do. I'm a metal polisher by trade. We do detailing and stuff at truck shows as well. But this truck has turned into one of my show toys. I truly love going to the show trucks and the truck shows all over the country. We've been everywhere in the country, from California to Florida to New Jersey, up that area, and all the way as far as I think North Dakota and Nebraska. I'm not sure I've been up to Montana yet, but Dave, I'm coming out your way sooner or later. But honestly, I love driving this thing. When it was a single axle spring ride, this thing was hard to ride in. I now see why all the old guys are hunched over and feeling all the back pain. But now that it's stretched out to a 218 wheelbase and a tandem with a 4-bag air leaf cutoff on it, this thing rides so much nicer. I'm gonna want to take it to more shows. So you'll see me at a lot more shows with this thing. Louisville's our big show every year that we do. We hit that one hard. But this year, got to make a dream come true. Donnie Wood hauled it down to Wildwood Truck Show for me, and I got to have it at the 75 Chrome Shop. So we're getting to where we want to be.
Hey, sorry my battery kept dying there, but that concludes our photo shoot with Evan from Evans Polishing and his awesome Peterbilt. When we're back on the road, I gotta be in South Dakota tomorrow evening to shoot a pickup truck, and back on the road, and stay tuned and we'll have even more cool stuff coming. But hope you love this Peterbilt, and thanks Evan from Evans Polishing for letting us do this. And I'm trying to say this really fast so my battery doesn't die, but we're gonna go load Homewrecker now and back on the road, and thanks for following.
We're getting to where we wanna be.